Going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackman with Paramount Property Investments at a single-family residence in the city of Akron, Ohio. It's a 3-bed, 1-bath colonial. Just doing a quick walkthrough to see if this is a property we may want to put under contract to purchase. Property is not in that bad a shape. Definitely going to need some paint, possibly some carpet. In this neighborhood, we may not do a whole lot of remodeling and renovations just because the market value wouldn't support that. So this would probably be a rental more than anything else. So just wanted to drop in with you guys and let you know we're still actively looking for properties in the area. If you or anybody you know is thinking about buying or selling, definitely give us a call, 330-685-2220, or visit the website, www.investparamount.com.